got good size. Tall. Well proportioned. Tall man.
Wasn't paying attention again, and McGraw snuck up there. Uh-oh, turned him around. Just when McGraw and Funny had been going his way, he found out differently. Off the ropes now. Elbow, wow. Vicious one. No way. Might as well have not covered him at all.
That'll take his toll.
Right out of you. Well, he covered him just like the JYD.
Either JYD or J. Walter Thompson, I don't know. I'm thinking more like JYD.
Referring, of course, to the junkyard dog.
He followed him right across the ring. After the match, he just got right on his feet and followed him.
Look at this now. Top rope up to the ground, out on the concrete.
Macho Man high atop that top rope.
He might. He did.
Oh, no.
That's gotta hurt.
What has happened to this wrestling match?
Over 15 feet. Billy McGraw. Macho Man out ramming McGraw into the steel railing surrounding the ring here in Garden. Just about beat the count back in. Both men were about to be counted outside the ring.
Is this guy a threat?
Certainly doesn't think much about ending and breaking the rules.
You know, as we talked about earlier, professional wrestling's #1 free agent. They tell me he is perhaps one of the most sought after pieces of property
Well, I'm sure he is.
on that game today.
McGraw trying to mount some kind of offense, fight back here. Look out! Suplex on the concrete floor.
Suplex on the concrete floor. Oh yeah!
Great, it turned out to be.
That could constitute an automatic disqualification right there.
And a referee should do it. He would certainly be justified. Good asking for Phil on this one.
Terminate somebody's career like that in a hurry.
This match is taking place outside of. I think this one should be called long enough. Totally out of line.
Macho Man inviting him out. Ringside is in. That would be a big mistake. McGraw manages to get back up on the apron, but boy, he's down and out.
Oh.
Referee should jump on his cage right away.
Yes, trying to do something to get
Please. There's nothing left.
Nobody home.
Macho Man upside down.
Only thing that could have possibly saved him was a move like that. Right to the jaw. And another.
Boy, he wants to, Jim, but he's been hurt so bad. He's just about able. Fans on their feet. I guess he'll do anything at this point. Reversal now. Now another reversal. Macho Man goes in. Whoa, right out of that corner.
Neck injury that Rick McGraw sustained a number of years ago.
Macho Man now up on the top. Look at this. Oh, what an elbow. It's all over.
It is all over. Hold on. A two. He's out forever. McGraw is not going to get up right away.
Not likely.
Here is your winner, Randy Macho Man Savage.
Savage making a very impressive debut here at Madison Square Garden. Got a hold of Rick McGraw once again, who is still parked down on the canvas. He doesn't want him in the ring.
Come on. You know, the referee can overturn that decision.
Certainly can.
Hey,
Let's go back in time.
label out, schmable out. I showed you the bottle from the start. You know that it's motherfucking Colt, motherfucking 45.
Feet up in the air, maybe 18 feet up.
It doesn't matter, like if I decide to grab it with this hand instead of this hand, and you can't see the label, oh boo-hoo, oh boo-hoo. Doesn't really fucking matter, man. All that matters is that this is a delicious, cold beverage that rearranges one's brain chemistry into a more positive shape. You know, doesn't matter. Look, you can't see the label. My hand's covering it. Oh, boo-hoo. Wait, look, now you can see it. Now you can see the label. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Women in wrestling, and her presence enhanced Savage's fame and reputation.
Let me try doing the math for a second here.
So will you.
Let's see.
Let's get down to it. Our next match comes from the Boston Garden. It is December 1985. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat is the opponent. Now, Ricky Steamboat had recently joined the WWE and was immediately embraced by crowds throughout the country. Randy Savage, Ricky Steamboat, would wage a monumental war, culminating with the historic WrestleMania match. But before we get there, let's look at one of the first encounters between Savage and Steamboat.
Yeah. Basically, I've been consuming alcohol, all the Abu alcoholic beverages for approximately 26 years. I mean, some of you jokers were shitting in diapers when I was chugging my first 40. So, excuse me if I don't care whether or not you can see the label. You know? Excuse me if I take umbrage with the idea of being taught how to consume alcoholic beverages. I think I got a natural talent for that. Seems to gallop through both sides of the family. Label out. Your mom. Label out. Label out. Your mother. Is it loud? Your mother. Yes. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes. By the way, a friend of mine gave me these. And I'm gonna drink them eventually, at some point. Because if somebody gives me something to drink, I mean an alcoholic beverage, not like a bucket of puke, Windex or whatever, but anybody gives me an alcoholic beverage, like my friend did here, I'm gonna drink it sooner or later. But I'm not really a big fan of this shit because it's so sweet and sugary. It makes me want to gag. And just because it starts with an F doesn't mean I'm going to necessarily drink it on a Friday either. I might have a Four Loko Sunday, Wednesday, Tuesday, I don't know. At some point I'll be broke and this will be the only thing left to drink. And I'll drink it on that day, and if it happens to be a Friday, it'll be a motherfucking coincidence.